Well, at least he has good manners. Maybe this blind date will go well.
Woo, baby. This one's smoking hot.
What can I get for you this evening? I'll have a burger, fries, and a large Coke. Excellent choice, sir. And for you, madam?
This steak looks so good. Loaded mashed potatoes. Oh, and cheesecake. Wow, this looks so good.
I'll have a few pieces of lettuce and a carrot.
Quite the delicacy. I'll be right back with your order. So,
Awkward.
So, do you go to church?
no, not really.
Oh man, I was hoping this might work.
She is so hot.
What about the Bible? Do you read it?
Funny you should say that, but no, I don't read.
Ugh, this is not going well.
She just leaned in a little bit. She is totally into me. Wow, she's so hot.
Do you mind if I ask if you're a Jew?
God bless you.
Oh my gosh, he just said God bless you. He must be Christian. This is perfect.
What did you want to ask me?
Oh, nothing. No.
Oh, he is perfect. This is the one.
She is so hot.